What's up everyone, this is Dolby After Effects CC tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to create 3D logo out of a PNG image. So first thing we will do is create a new composition. Press Ctrl N on your keyboard. Make sure your width and height is 1920 by 1080 and choose a background color. I have chosen blue. Click OK, and in the 3D renderer make sure you are working on a Cinema 4D renderer. Click OK. Now import your PNG image into a project bin. Double click here, select your PNG image, click import, drag your PNG image into a timeline. Now rescale this PNG image. Click here in this on this small box and hold shift and drag it in a bit. Now we will auto trace this PNG image. What auto trace will do is create path out of this PNG image. Make sure your PNG image is highlighted. Go to layer, click auto trace. Channel should be alpha. For the sake of simplicity, I have chosen alpha in this tutorial, and make sure you check this apply to new layer. What this will do is create a separate layer for the path. Click OK. Now we don't need this PNG image, so hide this layer. Now here we will have two masks. Make sure your mask path is selected. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy this path. Click right click here, go to new and click shape layer. Go to shape layer, go to add path. Make sure your path is highlighted and choose pen tool and click somewhere here and press Ctrl V to paste path. Now you can close shape layer 1 and mask 1 also. Go to mask 2. Make sure your mask path is selected. Press Ctrl C to copy mask path. Right click here, go to new, create a shape layer, go to add path. Make sure your path is selected. Click here for once and press Ctrl V to copy path, to paste path. Now you can close all these layers, and now we don't need this traced layer, so we can hide this layer also. Now select your both the layers and rescale this, and before doing make sure you are on selection tool. Click on this small box and hold shift and rescale it in a bit, and while selection right click and make your layer 3D. And after converting your layer to 3D, you will have this additional option, geometry options. Now we will change value in this extrusion depth. Now change this value from 0 to 50, and to see the effect of that extrusion, rotate your layer on Y rotation. I think extrusion, we need more extrusion, so change this value from 50 to 60. 60 is good. So now we will add light to this animation, but before doing that, make sure you reset your Y rotation on your both layer. Now close your both layers. Right click here, go to new, add light. Make sure your light type is spot, color is white, and most important, cast shadow box is checked. Click OK. Yes, you will have this shadows. Now what we'll do is select this both layers and press R on your keyboard. So we will have this rotation options only. Make sure you are on a 0 seconds and generate key on your Y rotation and go to 10 seconds and change this rotation value from 0 to 5. So now we will have 5 times rotation between this 0 to 10 seconds. Yes, this is done. Thank you for watching. If this video was anyway helpful to you, make sure you comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe